What's up, guys? Garrett here with Self.dev. I figured out how to upgrade the output quality on my software, so hopefully all these words in the screen should be crystal clear now. Ooh, do we want to see how the Iron Throne is supposed to look? We do. If you guys watched Game of Thrones last night, let me know what you thought about it in the comments. But anyway, today's video, I had a guy ask, is it good to put all my portfolio and all my projects on GitHub? Wait. I have a list of what I want to talk about. These are all my notes. I have a lot of them. Okay, so first things first, if you don't have a GitHub, go to github.com. I'm going to have a link in the description. Make an account and put all your code on there. And this is if you want to be a web developer. If you don't want to be a web developer and you just watch me because I look pretty, then you don't have to go make a GitHub. But you can if you want to. That'd be cool. But yeah, go make a GitHub if you don't have one right now. Second step, put a link to it on your resume and on your portfolio. Now, on the question, should you upload all your code to GitHub? Yes, you should. I can't think of any downside to it aside from somebody like stealing your code. But like if you're a new developer, who's going to want to steal your code? Because it's going to be garbage. Mine was garbage too. I'm not saying like you specifically, your code's garbage, but like any new developer, your code's going to be garbage in general. Plus also, of course, hiring managers and like people hiring you want to see that you've been coding a lot. And if they come to your GitHub and it looks like this, and there's just like one day where you studied HTML and CSS, and now you're just throwing out applications, and your website looks like a 3-year-old built it, and you're like, all right, here's my portfolio. None of the links. Well, the links to my projects all go to one project. They don't go to different projects like they're supposed to. It's not responsive, but I want $90K. Hire me. You're not going to get a job. We had somebody send in an application like that. It was funny. But where am I at on my list of things I want to talk about here? Because I've made this video like 5 times. I just keep leaving out stuff that I want to talk about. Yeah, so ideally you get streaks going like this. Just try to get like at least 1 commit a day. If you miss a day, hey, that's cool. Just make sure you don't miss the next day, like I failed to do here. This is like back when I started Team Treehouse, and as it went on, I got like more committed because how much I just liked my job grew. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna do this every day. And then I had an interview, and I found out I got the job. And then I started a new job, and then I got complacent and stopped coding on my own for a while. And now I'm back to it because I want to make more money. But yeah, definitely post all your code to GitHub. Let's see here. Another thing, emotional leverage. If you don't like your job and you want to become a web developer to just get out of your crappy career like I did, use that emotional leverage. If you come home, you're probably tired at the end of the day if you hate your job. You're like, I hate my job. I just want to watch TV and lay on the couch and relax and eat ice cream. Don't do that. Just think about how crappy it's going to be if you have to get up and go to this job every day for the rest of your life versus becoming a web developer and doing something you love. Because ideally you love being a web developer and programming. If you don't, then you probably don't want to do this field. Go find another job you want to do. But use that emotional leverage to like compel yourself to sit down and study after you get home from work, or wake up early in the morning and study before you go to work, or sit down on the weekends instead of just sleeping in and watching Netflix all day. Sit down, learn code, it'll make you go faster. So emotional leverage, that's a good thing. Use it. That's kind of what I lost right here when I got the job, and that's why I was complacent for a while. And I figured out how to get it back somehow. I don't know if I figured out how to get it back or if it's just a discipline kicking in or what. I don't know. I have to think about that more. But let's see. Emotional leverage, good if you're ever not near your computer. Yeah, if you only have your code on your local desktop, if your desktop breaks, that sucks. You just lost all your code and you don't have anything to show people that you know how to code now. So GitHub's good to have it for backups, obviously. You can pull your old code if you happen to delete your files on your computer. If you're ever not at your house and you need to code, like if you're at an interview and they're like, hey, show me some of your code right now. You're like, all right, no problem. github.com, sign in. Here's all my projects. And I mean, ideally, you can just go to your portfolio and you have that linked to your GitHub through the projects, like mine. Wait, what's my thing? GU's 13. I'm about to have to pay for this again, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it up. Yeah, I'm going to keep it up. I want people to see this. But yeah, see, got my projects. Can link to the project, and you can see the project. This is garbage. My first ever website I built. It's responsive though. And then you can click to see the code, and it brings you to GitHub, and it's got my code there. And I got a little README file. Honestly, that's what this whole week of code is. Some of it's like Team Treehouse stuff, but a lot of it's just me uploading a README file to my projects because I didn't have READMEs on any of them. So even if it's like something small like that, just focus on getting one commit a day. I feel like I was making a point before that, but I forgot what it is because ADD, whatever. I need to meditate more. Make sure your portfolio looks good. Yeah, talked about that a little earlier. So yeah, that's it for... These are like my goals and stuff. I'll make a video talking about those. It's my social plan because I'm antisocial and I just need to get better at being social. I just realized the acronym for my channel is STD, but those are video ideas. If y'all have any ideas on videos, or actually if you just have any questions in general, leave those down in the comments and I will probably make a video responding to you. Those are more video ideas. Water palm. I have a palm tree over in the corner there. It's dying slowly. I don't know why. I'm trying to figure it out. I have a little DJ tool and I want to remix these two songs. That was my to-do list. And then I have a guitar channel. And those are songs I'm going to do for that. Anyway, back to tech stuff. Discord. What's the Discord? I'm going to have a link to Discord in the description. I had a Slack channel for a while, but I never get on Slack, so people would join and I'd respond like a week later. But I'm on Discord pretty much every day because I'm in like, we've got a little game group with my work. I've got a little great game group with some friends from Age of Mythology that I play with. Josh Fluke, I'm on there for him. And then I'm going to be on there for mine too, if you guys want to come hang out and talk and help shape the community. Because I want to grow this thing into like a big community like Josh Fluke or Coding Phase or something like that has. I think it'd be really cool to have like, to eventually make some like nonprofit where maybe like a nonprofit that helps other nonprofits with their website. Like they come to us and we build, maybe they make like a donation. I don't know how it's going to work exactly. I haven't thought about it too much, but we'll basically design their website, build it for them, and it'll be like a good way for new people to get like actual coding experience. And I don't know, help me plan that out, guys. What else here? Team Treehouse. If you need a good place to go learn, check the description. I'm going to have a little link to Team Treehouse if you want to come join. Finally finished project number 4. I spent like all of last month procrastinating on it, but I finally got it done this weekend. I'm on project number 5 now. This one's really easy. I'm going to get this done within the next 3 or 4 days. I'm probably going to live stream it. So subscribe so you can come hang out on those live streams and ask me questions there if you need to, or even just get like a walkthrough of the project. But yeah, check out the link in the description if you want to come hang out with Team Treehouse and do that. They give you a little 7-day free trial. And last thing, send me your resumes. I'm doing resume reviews now. I know you sent me your resume, dude. I looked at it and I don't know what to say on it. That's why I haven't made a video on it yet, because it's really good and your portfolio is really good too. As long as you built it all. I feel like it might be, there's something on it where I was like, maybe, but it looked really good. I like all the React projects. I'll make a video about it anyway, in a couple days. But yeah, send me your resume. I'm going to link in the, not a link, I'm going to have my email address down below. So go check that out. If you want to send me your resume, I'll give you some feedback on it. And give me a thumbs up if this helped you guys out, so YouTube knows I'm putting out good stuff. And I think that's about it. If you have any ideas how I can upgrade the quality of this, that'd be cool. I need to start making thumbnails. I'm going to buy a webcam. So those are the next 2 things I'm working on. I think that's it. So yeah, come join Discord. Come hang out. We can be friends and stuff. If you live in Dallas, hit me up. We can go get lunch or code together. I don't know, work out, something. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.